is India's first scientific mission to moon. Thank you. Chandrayaan-1 was launched by ISRO on October 22, 2008 from Sriharikota. It made significant discoveries such as detecting water on the moon on the lunar surface and confirming the presence of ice in the North Polar region. The communication with orbit was lost and it was failed. Thank you. After failure of Chandrayaan-1 on 22 July 2019, ISRO launched Chandrayaan-2, but unfortunately Vikram lander crashed only to the moon surface due to a technical failure. Thank you. Chandrayaan-3 was launched aboard an LV-N3M4 rocket on 14 July 2023. Chandrayaan-3 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center on August 1, 2023. Chandrayaan-3 was inserted in the translunar orbit on 14 July 2023. On 2023, the insertion was confirmed to be successful. The way to go the intriguing route of Chandrayaan-3 to the moon. During the period between July 16 and July 31, three orbit tracing maneuvers were completed successfully. Thank you. August 17, 2023, the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover were separated from its propulsion system later on August 18, 2023.